everyone. Thank you all for being here today as we gather to remember and honor my father, Graciela Messina Oglinan. Many people knew him by different names. To his Meralco colleagues, he was known as Boy Demonio. More recently, many know him through his online accounts where he used the pen name Boyong. But to us, his family, he was simply Papa, our Papa. A devoted husband, a hardworking father, a silly and fun-loving grandfather, a faithful and generous friend, a supportive brother, and a man who showed his love not always through words, but through his actions. Our Papa was the kind of person who quietly showed up for the people he loved. He worked hard, sacrificed, and did everything he could to provide for his family. He may not have had everything in terms of material things, but he always made sure that the people around him felt cared for and supported. One thing everyone who knew Papa would remember was his generosity. Papa, together with Mama, taught us the importance of helping others. He always found ways to lend a hand, whether it was family, friends, or even friends of friends. He believed that if you had the ability to help someone, you should. His kindness and generosity touched many lives. Papa also knew how to enjoy life and find happiness in the simple things. He was known in our family for his love of shoes. He enjoyed shopping for shoes at Ross, Walmart, and the Gilroy outlets. He loved finding a good bargain, not only for himself, but because he enjoyed giving those things to his children, grandchildren, and friends back home in the Philippines. Those gifts were his way of showing love and reminding people that he was thinking of them. Papa was also someone who enjoyed a good conversation. He loved sharing his thoughts and opinions, especially when it came to politics. He enjoyed engaging in political debates and wouldn't back down, whether you agree with him or not. Papa always brought his own perspective, energy, and personality into every conversation. And of course, we will always remember his famous phrase, "Okay, no problem." Those words represented so much of who he was. It was his way of saying that everything would be okay, that there was always a way forward, and that we should not worry too much. One of my favorite memories of Papa was when he would walk me to the stage to receive an academic achievement award. I can still see the big and proud smile on his face when the principal and directors of our school shook his hand and congratulated him and Mama for their child's achievement. At that moment, I saw how proud he was. Our dad may not have had a lot of money, but he always believed that his greatest treasures were the achievements and successes of his children. Seeing us do well was his reward. Our accomplishments were his riches. As I think about the things I will miss most, I know it will be the simple things: his laugh, his smile, his stories when they were growing up, and even the little things like him asking me to buy a donut from Safeway. Those ordinary moments are the memories I will hold closest because they remind me of the love, happiness, and connection we shared. Papa, I want you to know that you were deeply loved. Rest well, Papa. In heaven, you can finally eat all the donuts and French fries that you want. You can drive all the different cars you've always admired, and you can attend all the cockfighting derbies you want without worrying about money. But most importantly, Papa, you can continue watching over us and guiding us every single day. We know you will always be with us, in our hearts, in our memories, and in the lessons that you have given us. We will miss you dearly. We will miss your laugh, your smile, your stories, and all the little moments that made you our Papa. But we find comfort knowing that this is not goodbye forever. Someday, we will be together again, and that time, it will truly be forever. Thank you, Papa, for everything. Thank you for your love, your sacrifices, your kindness, and for being the amazing father and grandfather. We love you, Papa. Rest peacefully.